What is it? Is it better?
Yeah. Oh, he hit it.
He hit it. Oh, he did.
Those second.
That's 124 grains.
Oh, he's hitting that bullseye.
JF Sports. So me and my friends decided to test out my Glock 43 today. I actually tried to get it to malfunction and sort of a meltdown, so to speak. We fired 500 rounds in this gun. Didn't see any issue of it. I mean, it seemed to feed every ammunition and that we fed to it. We used 124 grains, 115 grains, hollow points, you name it. Like I said, I didn't see or feel any malfunctions as far as the gun is concerned or the ammunition that was being fed to it. I did feel a little mushy on the trigger as the gun got really hot. We fired this thing constantly, maybe about 2-3 second break, but that was it. After 300 rounds, the trigger got a little sticky, but other than that, there was no issues. So I feel very comfortable. And one thing that I want to point out is that a lot of people are curious about the Taran Tactical base plate, +1 and +2. I used them today, especially the +8, because a lot of people are very skeptical of using those, especially for concealed carry. Now, I'm going to tell you guys this, and this is just coming from me from shooting today. I have not had one malfunction within 300 rounds of using the Taran Tactical +2 base plate on the Glock 43. And just to tell you guys, I also ordered the spring. It's plus 10% strength, so to speak, the Taran Tactical selling. So I had a base plate in there, and I also had a spring. I took out the factory spring and replaced it. So with that said, I'm not sure if I would get the same exact result as I got today, which is pretty much flawless, with the original factory spring. But what I noticed today is, with the experience that I got today, is that with the Taran Tactical +2 base plate together with the spring plus 10% power, this thing is carryable. You can carry this thing. No worries. I'm telling you, it's not gonna malfunction on you. It is a little harder to put the 8th round in the magazine. It's not one of those things that it just slide through. No, you might have to put a little pressure on it, but it fits 8 rounds in that magazine, and I'm telling you, it's carryable. A lot of people are asking that, and very skeptical. For a lot of people, actually, even some of the YouTubers are saying that the 8+8 magazine would probably be their backup magazine. But I'm telling you, I'd carry that gun with that base plate. No malfunctions. I put almost every ammunition that I had today, which is only three kinds or 4 kinds, 124, 115 grains, full metal jackets and hollow points. No, didn't have any issues. It wasn't like the first 2-3 shots fired to it malfunction. As a matter of fact, I had one instance there, or a couple instances, where I put 2 or 3 rounds only in that base plate, and she fired. No issues there. So Glock 43, this thing is reliable. And if you guys looking into buying a slim gun, sort of a self-defense gun, and doesn't print a lot, and it's a good gun. Nothing negative to say about it other than what I have said previously in my past videos, that I wish there was more rounds in the gun. But with the Taran tactical base plate, I think that answered all my questions. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think about the gun in the video. And if you guys have a Glock 43, let us know what you think, or how's your Glock 43 performing. And just to take note, my Glock 43 is stock. There's nothing done to it. There's no ghost trigger. There's no sights to it. Sights tend to pretty accurate in my own opinion. And the only thing that I've really done to this gun is do the 25-cent trigger job, which I polished everything. If you was to take my Glock 43 apart, you'd see that everything inside there is shiny and chrome, because I polished it. But that's about it. I didn't change the trigger. No barrel changes there. No tungsten guide rod. Nothing. This is a base. And as you can see, this thing was firing. Rapid fire, however you want it. Me and my friends, we tested this out. Like I said, 500 rounds. And she go. Let me know what you guys think. Drop me a comment. And as always, thank you for watching. Subscribe to JF Sports.